Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for top 5 best air mattress 2025? Here are my full reviews top 5 best air mattress 2025. So start in video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Number 1. Here's a 2,100 character review you can use for your video about the Air Mattress Queen with built-in pump. Review of Air Mattress Queen with built-in pump. Quick, comfortable, and reliable. In this video, I explored the Air Mattress Queen with built-in pump, and I must say, it's one of the most convenient and well-designed inflatable beds I've tried. From the moment you unbox it, you can tell it's built for ease of use and comfort. The highlight is definitely its 2-minute self-inflation system. With just one touch, the built-in pump inflates the mattress to full size quickly and evenly. No manual effort, no extra tools, and no noisy struggle with separate pumps. Once inflated, the 16-inch height provides a real bed-like experience, making it perfect for guests, camping, or even temporary home use. It supports up to 650 pounds, so it easily accommodates 2 adults without any sagging or instability. The air coils inside are designed to distribute weight evenly, ensuring all-night stability with no air loss, even after multiple nights of use. I also appreciate that there's no plastic or chemical smell when you first open it, something many air mattresses struggle with. Comfort-wise, the flock top surface feels soft yet supportive. It keeps bedding in place and gives you a cozy, velvety texture that doesn't feel slippery or cold. I tested overnight, and it held firmness perfectly until morning. No need for a midnight top-up of air. The portability is another huge plus. It deflates just as quickly, folds compactly, and fits easily into its storage bag, making it ideal for travel or camping. For those who host guests often or move frequently, this air bed is a fantastic solution that combines convenience, durability, and comfort. Overall, this Air Mattress Queen delivers everything it promises. Quick setup, lasting firmness, no odor, and true comfort. Whether for home, guests, or outdoor adventures, it's a product that offers both practicality and peace of mind. Highly recommended. Number 2. The Queen Air Mattress with built-in pump, 16-inch raised air bed, and it truly impressed me. In my video, I show how easy it is to set up. The powerful built-in pump inflates the mattress in just about 3 minutes. The height and firmness make it feel surprisingly close to a real bed, offering great back support and comfort for overnight guests or everyday use. I also love that it comes with a storage bag, making it simple to pack away or take on trips. The durable, puncture-resistant material and non-slip bottom give extra peace of mind. Whether for home, camping, or hosting guests, this airbed is a reliable, comfortable, and convenient solution. Watch the full video to see inflation speed, firmness test, and my honest thoughts after using it overnight. You might be as surprised as I was by how comfy this inflatable bed can be. Number 3. The iDOO Queen Air Mattress with built-in pump truly impressed me with its thoughtful design and reliable performance. From the moment I unboxed it, the setup was a breeze. The integrated pump inflated the mattress in just a few minutes, saving time and hassle, especially when guests arrive unexpectedly or when you're out camping. What really stands out is the upgraded 4-chamber structure. It provides excellent stability and support, keeping the mattress firm and evenly balanced through the night. Even when 2 people sleep on it, there's minimal motion transfer, a huge plus for couples. The 18-inch raised height adds real bed-like comfort and makes it easy to get in and out of, which I love demonstrating in the video. The surface has a soft, velvety texture that feels cozy and helps keep sheets in place. It can support up to 650 pounds, which speaks to its durability and solid build. Whether used indoors for guests or outdoors for camping, the iDOO mattress stays inflated without sagging or losing air overnight. Deflation and storage are equally simple. Just switch the pump and it packs away compactly into its carrying bag. Overall, the iDOO Queen Air Mattress offers a great balance of comfort, portability, and value. It's an excellent solution for anyone needing a convenient and comfortable extra sleeping space. Highly recommended for home, travel, or weekend adventures. Number 4. The Airefina Air Mattress Queen with built-in pump is a solid choice. In this video, I walk you through the setup, comfort level, and overall experience with this 18-inch raised inflatable bed, and honestly, it exceeded expectations. The built-in electric pump is a major highlight. It inflates the mattress in just about 3 minutes, saving you from the hassle of manual pumps or external equipment. The deflation is equally fast, making storage quick and effortless. It comes with a sturdy carrying bag, which makes transportation and storage neat and compact. Comfort-wise, the Airefina Air Mattress offers impressive support with internal air coil structure that helps maintain stability and prevents sagging through the night. The 18-inch height gives it a real bed-like feel, making it easier to get on and off. It's also spacious, 80 by 60 inches, perfectly sized for 2 adults, and can handle up to 750 pounds, which speaks volumes about its durability. The flock top surface adds a soft, velvety touch that feels pleasant against sheets, while the reinforced seams and puncture-resistant material give a premium build quality. Whether you're hosting overnight guests, traveling, or need a quick sleeping solution, this mattress checks all the boxes for comfort, convenience, and reliability. Overall, the Airefina Air Mattress Queen delivers a great balance of portability, comfort, and performance. Truly a must-have for any home or camping setup. Number 5. The CHILLSUN Air Mattress Queen is a serious upgrade for anyone who values quick setup, durability, and comfort. In my video, I tested its built-in pump, and it really does inflate in under 2 minutes. The one-touch design makes both inflation and deflation effortless, which is perfect for guests, camping, or quick setups at home. The 18-inch height provides a real bed feel, and its 650 pounds weight capacity ensures strong, stable support. I was especially impressed by the flock top. It's soft to the touch and keeps sheets from slipping. The reinforced seams and thick PVC material add to its durability, while the compact storage bag makes it travel-friendly. After hours of use, it held air beautifully with no sagging. If you're looking for a reliable, comfortable blow-up bed that combines practicality with premium comfort, the CHILLSUN Air Mattress Queen is definitely worth it. Highly recommended for guests, travel, or everyday use.